What's the rush? Are you trying to crochet sweaters for the whole neighborhood?
No, I'm on a mission. I need to finish this before the yarn store closes.
What's in it for you? A lifetime supply of yarn?
No, a coveted spot in the Crocheters Hall of Fame.
Let me guess, that's next to Procrastinators Hall of Fame, because I think you're already in that one.
That's not true. I'm productive. Just on my own timeline.
Right, and what are you making anyways? Another scarf for your cat?
No, this is a crocheted hat for my cat.
Ah yes, feline fashion strikes again.
You just don't understand. Cats need accessories.
Sure, right after they get their own personal stylist.
See, it's gonna be very fashion forward.
Looks like a spaghetti monster.
Cats are the new fashion icons.
I can just see it now. Breaking news! Local cat declares war on yarn.
And the headline, Yarn Overload, Cats Claim Territory.
And the police report will read, suspect last seen in a crocheted hat looking fabulous.
Hey, at least my cat will have an Instagram following.
Follow for more hats that will haunt your dreams.
You're just jealous. You wish you were this creative.
Or I'll just stick to knitting, thank you very much. At least my pieces are functional.
Functional? Try telling that to my cat when she struts around the house wearing this.
You might want to prepare for an uprising.
See, my vision is starting to come to life.
Sure it is. Sure it is.